Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to deposit money in Binance from Saudi Arabia. So let's dive into it. So one of the quick methods to deposit money in Binance from Saudi Arabia is to open the Binance app and log into your account. Then from there, you have to make sure you tap the wallet at the bottom. So select the deposit and choose the fiat, not crypto. Then from there, in the currency list, select the SAR, which is the Saudi Riyal, and pick a deposit method available in Saudi Arabia, which is the bank transfer, the third party payment, or the P2P trading. So if you are using the bank transfer or the third party, follow the on-screen instruction to enter your bank details and the amount. Then if you're using the P2P trading, select a seller, enter the amount and complete the payment through the seller's preferred method. And after the payment confirm it in Binance and wait for the funds to reflect in your fiat or spotlight. And that's how you can easily deposit money in Binance from Saudi Arabia. Hope you find the video helpful. Give it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.